मैम
यस dear ma'am, please allow me to share the screen. Today we are going to do revision of chapter 1. बच्चे stop.
क्या कहते हैं मैं
Erase it.
जी के क्वेश्चन नहीं बोल पाया था क्योंकि
Sandesh, erase it. So we are going to do revision of chapter 1 today. So the first topic is functions of food. So I have shared a picture on your screen. According to the picture, you will give the function of food in the chat box. Okay, give your answer in the chat box. What do you understand by this picture? What would be the function of food according to this? No, you don't. You are expected to write full sentence. And बच्चे do one thing, change the setting of chat box. जहां पे आपको चैट बॉक्स में 2 लिखा आ रहा है ना, वहां पे आपको एवरीवन लिखा आ रहा है, ठीक है। एवरीवन से हटा के आप वहां पे मेरा नेम सेलेक्ट कर लो. इन दिस वे योर मैसेजेस विल डायरेक्टली कम टू मी. इट विल नॉट बी शोन टू एनीबडी एल्स, so that you will give your own answers. Okay? Yes, माधवी, अभी भी आपका एवरीवन चैट में आंसर आ रहा है. Send your answers directly to me. Yes, now you are giving me the full answer. Food helps us to grow. Very nice. So this is the first function of food. It helps us to grow. Next is this. देखो यहाँ पे डिजीज लिखा है और उसके ऊपर क्रॉस बना हुआ है. What would it be mean? इसका क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है? What can be the meaning of this thing? अच्छा, अब ग्रो वाला हो गया है. अब नेक्स्ट चलो. यस, एकम का आंसर मेरे पास आ गया है. It protect us from diseases. Very good. बच्चे जब आप it लिखते हो ना तो आप protect के साथ s लगाओगे. protects. ओके, सिंगुलर के साथ वर्ब के साथ हम ses लगाते हैं. Yes, so it protects us from diseases. फूड जो हम खाते हैं उससे हमें इम्यूनिटी मिलती है, हमारा इम्यून सिस्टम स्ट्रांग होता है जिससे हमें डिजीजेस होने के चांसेस कम होते हैं. सुखवीर, दिस इज रिवीजन. यू डोंट नीड टू ओपन द बुक. पेज नंबर तो आपको बिल्कुल भी नहीं चाहिए, ठीक है, ये आपको आनी चाहिए. स्टिल इफ यू फील दैट आपको ये नहीं आता है देन यू कैन ओपन द बुक, बट ट्राई टू आंसर योरसेल्फ. ओके, लेट्स मूव फर्दर. देखो यहाँ पे 2 पिक्चर्स है. एक है रेगुलर टिश्यू, एक लिखा है डैमेज्ड टिश्यूज. इसका क्या मीनिंग हो सकता है एंड व्हाट वुड बी द फंक्शन ऑफ फूड अकॉर्डिंग टू दिस? Madhvi, it is not necessary that disease is an infection. It can be malfunctioning of any of your organ. If your organ is not working properly, infection is usually when invader something external, some external particle enters your body. Okay, that can cause infection in the body. But disease is a much wider word. इसमें बहुत कुछ है. Okay, so I'm getting the answers. वार्म नहीं है, एकदम वार्म होता है गरम. गरम टिश्यू को थोड़ी रिपेयर करता है. संदीप, डिजीज की स्पेलिंग देखो. यस कृष्णा, गुड. ओके, सो इट रिपेयर्स द worn out tissues. worn होता है जो खराब हो गया है, ठीक है. worn out, right? जो खराब हो गए हैं और न्यू टिश्यू भी बनाते हैं. ये कृष्णा ने आंसर में लिखा.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Builds new tissues and repairs the worn out tissues. Okay, so we will write repairs the worn out tissues. Next देखेंगे. Food provides dash to carry out all the activities. ये blank में क्या आएगा? And you have to write the full sentence.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Who is this?
Pratiksha.
Yes, Pratiksha.
मैम जो yesterday आपने रिवीजन असाइनमेंट भेजी थी.
Yes, so food provides us energy. I've got a lot of answers from you people. Very good. So food provides us energy. So these are the 4 functions of food. Food provides us energy to carry out all the activities. It repairs worn out tissues. It helps us to grow and it protects us from diseases. Okay, so these are the functions of food. Let's move further. What are nutrients? What are nutrients? Raise your hands. Who will explain and who will give me the definition of nutrients? Ekam, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, food substance essential for the body.
Yes. Devansh, unmute yourself and give your definition. Devansh Soni.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, bache. Define nutrients.
Nutrient gives us energy to work and play.
मैं definition पूछ रही हूँ. Other students can give their answers in the chat box. They can write the definition of nutrient. Yes, ये एक बच्चे ने लिखी दी है, but उसने name नहीं इतना पूरा लिखा हुआ. Okay, let me ask from Sanjdeep. Sanjdeep, give your definition.
Extend component of food.
Extend? What is extend? It is essential components of food. Okay. This is a simple definition. You can do this one also, or you can do that definition also, which is given in your book. Okay. So you can learn any of the definition according to your comfort level. Right? Okay, let's move further. Next, I'm going to ask you about the categories of food. What are the categories of food? Give your answer in the chat box. Categories of food. Gorika, you are still writing. It helps us to grow. Now we are moving further. What are the 3 categories of food? Food is majorly divided into 3 parts according to the function they do. Okay. So what are these 3 categories? Yes, वंशिका ने अब अच्छा आंसर दिया है. एकम थोड़ा wrong है आपका आंसर. And please give all the 3 categories in the single message. Otherwise, I will never come to know that you know other 2 categories or not, because you people are writing only one. Gorika has given me the full answer. Yes, Arshpreet, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, tell me your answer.
Food.
categories of food. No. Vanshika, unmute yourself.
Energy giving food, bodybuilding food, protective food.
Very good. Three categories are energy giving food, bodybuilding food, and protective food. Now tell me which two nutrient groups are included in energy giving food. Yes. Let me ask from Gorika. Gorika, unmute yourself and tell me your answer. Yes.
Carbohydrates and fats.
Carbohydrates and fats. And which is the major source of energy in the body?
Carbohydrates.
Carbohydrates. Very good. So carbohydrates are the main source of energy in the body because it is difficult for our body to unlock energy out of fats. Okay, but fats provide double the energy as carbohydrates do. So energy giving nutrients are carbohydrates and fats. Okay, next is bodybuilding. Which nutrient group is included in the bodybuilding group? Let me ask from Sargun. Sargun, unmute yourself.
Ma'am, protein.
Proteins, very good. So proteins are bodybuilding food. Okay, tell me that which is the richest source of plant proteins?
Ma'am, soybean.
Very good. Soybean is the richest source of plant protein. Okay, other students will write any two food items which are rich in proteins other than soybean, because soybean we have just discussed here. Other than soybean, what two food items are rich in proteins? Yes, milk, egg, fish, beans, peas. Very good. Okay, so these are the food items which are rich in proteins. Okay, next category is protective food. So which nutrient groups are included in this category? Which two nutrient groups are considered as protective foods? Harvinder, unmute yourself. Harvinder, unmute yourself and tell me your answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, बच्चे. Answer.
Ma'am, question.
क्वेश्चन अभी तो पूछा मैंने.
Ma'am, please repeat.
That's bad. You should know what I have just asked. It means you are not attentive here. Okay, let me ask from somebody else. Pulkit. Pulkit, unmute yourself.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning.
Ma'am, vitamin and minerals.
Yes, vitamins and minerals. Very good. Okay. So, बच्चे, now you will write that what are the two food items which are rich in vitamins. Write two food items rich in vitamins. Carrot, apple, okay. Anybody else? Fruits and vegetables. Apple, lemon, milk, lemon, okay. Carrot, apples, okay. So you can simply write fruits and vegetables. Okay. I told you that your plate, if your plate is colorful, it means it has fruits and vegetables of different colors. It means lots and lots of vitamins you are having. Okay. So you should eat more of fruits and vegetables in your daily diet. Okay, now let me ask from I have asked from these students. Jigar, unmute yourself. Jigar, unmute yourself.
Yes.
Bachi, how many minerals you have studied? Name them.
The nutrients.
Minerals. We have studied some minerals also.
The minerals, protein.
No. Protein is not a mineral. Protein is separate component of food. I'm here asking about minerals.
Sorry, ma'am, I was disconnected.
Jigar, you don't know?
Ma'am, cheese.
Ma'am, Asim, unmute yourself. Bachi, switch on your video. I want to see your faces. Switch on your video. Asim, unmute yourself. You have raised a hand.
Yes, ma'am.
It's just waste of time. Viren. Viren. Are you
Good
listening?
afternoon. Morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Viren.
Ma'am, calcium, iron,
And
sodium.
sodium. Very good.
Sodium.
Iron and sodium. Okay. Tell me, what is the function of calcium in our body? What is the function of calcium in our body? Khanak, same. Khanak, Kanak, unmute yourself. Okay, bacha, you can give your answers in the. It will take too much of time. Yes, सरगुन ने आंसर लिखा है, कृष्णा ने भी लिखा है. सरगुन और कृष्णा ने ही लिखा है, बस वही बार बार सेंड कर रहे हैं मुझे. तो कैल्शियम हेल्प्स इन बिल्डिंग टीथ एंड बोन्स. जो हमारे बोन्स हैं, टीथ है, ये कैल्शियम से बने हैं. ओके, एंड विच इज द रिच सोर्स ऑफ कैल्शियम. कैल्शियम हमें बहुत ज्यादा किससे मिलता है? मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. ओके, देखो बोन्स व्हाइट है, टीथ व्हाइट है, और कैल्शियम में भी हमें व्हाइट चीजों से मिलता है. सिंपल थिंग. ठीक है, मिल्क एंड मिल्क प्रोडक्ट्स. And the function of iron in our body. By the way, you people are having problem in giving the answer. It means you have not revised well. Arshpreet, then go and charge your phone. iron is present in our blood. Okay, it is a component of important component of our blood. Okay, only Sargun has answered, nobody else. You have your books, right? तो आप अपने बुक से भी तो देख के आंसर कर सकते हो ना. I have never told you that आप बिना देखे. आज मैंने आपको ये कहा कि अगर आप आंसर कर सकते हो तो कर लो, otherwise you can use your book. So it is a mineral which is an important component of our blood. Okay. And what is the food which is rich in iron? Do you know any food item which is rich in
Ma'am,
iron?
what is your name?
Green beans, spinach, apple. Yes, apple, spinach. Beans also. Beans is also correct. Yes, these are the rich. And which is the food item which is rich in sodium? Table salt. Yes, very good, Gorika. Table salt is the thing in which we find sodium. Okay. Next is balanced diet. Okay, Vanshika, please unmute yourself and tell me the definition of balanced diet. Others can
diet,
chat box.
a diet which contains right amount of all nutrients.
Yes, diet which contains right amount of all the nutrients. Very good. Others can give their answer in the chat box. So I have written here a diet which contains required is also correct, right is also correct. Okay? Adequate word is also correct. Adequate, required or right amount of all the nutrients. ठीक है, उसको हम बैलेंस डाइट कहते हैं. So that हमारी बॉडी की सारे रिक्वायरमेंट्स कंप्लीट हो सके एक ही डाइट से. That diet is known as balanced diet. Next is
Balanced diet.
हम कौन सी चीजों को जंक फूड कंसीडर करते हैं? मुझे पिक्चर्स मत भेजो और नेम मत भेजो. मैंने सिंपल पूछा है कौन कौन सी चीजों को हम जंक फूड कंसीडर करते हैं. मैंने एग्जांपल्स नहीं पूछी जंक फूड की. जिसमें सब न्यूट्रिएंट्स हो. परमनूर, जिसमें सारे न्यूट्रिएंट्स हो उसको हम जंक फूड कहते हैं. शुगर को हम कहते हैं डीप फ्राइड फूड. Let me tell you. Otherwise, you people are answering about the food item. That is, I have no issue with that. So, junk food is the food that contains high amounts of fat and sugar. जिसमें फैट और शुगर कंटेंट ज्यादा होता है. Okay, उसको हम जंक फूड कहते हैं. So next I have healthy eating. Healthy eating की कुछ हैबिट्स हम यहाँ पे डिस्कस करेंगे. ओके, आपको पहले जो आती है आप वो लिखो. लेट मी सी योर आंसर. और जो बोलना चाहते हैं वो अपना हैंड रेज करें. जो बोलना चाहते हैं वो अपना हैंड रेज कर ले. हरविंदर, हरविंदर, Harvinder, you have raised your hand. You want to speak? Unmute yourself. Okay, Sakshi.
Eat fresh food. Wash your hands before and after every meal. Do not overeat. Do not eat junk food.
Okay, very good, Sakshi. Okay, let me ask from Sanjdeep now. Sanjdeep.
Eat fresh food and do not let food get smoked. Wash your hands before and after having meal. Do not overeating. Do not eat too much of junk food like chips and burger.
Very good. Okay. Krishna, would you like to speak? Unmute yourself. Krishna.
Eat fresh food and do not lay,
Leave the
eat too much junk food.
do not eat
Too much junk food.
food. Okay. Sukhveer.
The
Okay, you are speaking.
properly.
Continue.
Eat fresh vegetables and fruit daily.
Good.
Wash your hands before and after eating. Don't left food.
Yes.
Don't overeating.
Good. So, let me show you.
And drink plenty of water. And drink plenty of water in
Yes.
a day.
Of water daily. Very good. So I have written eat fresh food. Fresh food लेना चाहिए. Stale food नहीं लेना चाहिए क्योंकि उससे आपकी स्टमक में प्रॉब्लम्स हो सकती हैं. Wash your hands before and after meal. खाना खाने से पहले और बाद में हैंड वॉश करना चाहिए. ठीक है. खाना खाने से पहले क्यों? क्योंकि हमारे हैंड्स गंदे हो सकते हैं. There can be number of microbes on it and that needs to be washed. Okay.
Do not over.
दैट कोई भी सॉल्ट और मिर्ची जो हमारे हैंड्स पे लगी है वो हमारी आईज में कहीं और ना लग जाए. ठीक है. सो डू नॉट ओवर ईटिंग नहीं करनी चाहिए. ओवर ईटिंग से आपका पेट एकदम से भर जाता है बहुत ज्यादा और डाइजेशन में बहुत प्रॉब्लम होती है.
Chew the food properly before swallowing.
एंड ईट फूड एट रेगुलर इंटरवल्स. आई टोल्ड यू पहले भी मैंने आपको ये बताया है. आपको रेगुलर इंटरवल पे लेना चाहिए. जैसे ब्रेकफास्ट, उसके बाद मॉर्निंग स्नैक्स, लंच, इवनिंग स्नैक्स, देन डिनर. ठीक है. और फिक्स टाइम पे फूड लेना चाहिए. ऐसे नहीं कि आप ब्रेकफास्ट 11 बजे कर रहे हो. ऐसे नहीं होना चाहिए. ब्रेकफास्ट 8 से 10 बजे के बीच बीच में हो जाना चाहिए. ठीक है. 7 से 10 बजे के बीच. एंड च्यू योर फूड प्रॉपर्ली. अगर आप फूड को बिल्कुल अच्छे से च्यू करते हो तो आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम को थोड़ा कम काम करना पड़ता है और आपका डाइजेस्टिव सिस्टम हेल्दी रहता है. ओके. सो दैट्स इट फॉर टुडे. Now if you have any doubt you can raise your hands.